heart, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are really welcome. And for returning customers, thank you so much for the love on my previous video. I'm gonna cry. Please pass me a hanky. No, make it a bucket. Thank you so much for the love. Please keep showing so much love in the comment section. It is so encouraging, like you have no idea, I'm telling you. So let's get to it. For today's video, we're going to be switching it up a little bit. We're going to be turning it up a notch, and this is going to be a fashion thing. I'm going to be showing you and teaching you some fashion tips and tricks that you can use in your everyday lifestyle. Really, if you have one outfit that you have worn and you have just kept aside and like, I've worn this too much, they already know it, I'm gonna show you a way that you're gonna wear it, that when you wear it they're not gonna know it. So if you hack into my words, you're going to hack into this. Don't leave me, really don't leave me just because of that. So let's get into it. So first, this is just the look, the kimono jacket, the halter X back top, and the mini leather skirt. What? This were all made, or these were all made by the one. Let me not hype myself here before you guys just get tired. But then I did it, bruv. I did it. What? Check it out. Look 2, and I'm going to name this one the shawarma wrap because I'm basically just wrapping myself like shawarma. Look number 3. You're going to be needing a rope for this look, and you're going to be tying knots. You're just going to be knotting ties. Look 4, still need the rope and need to be able to knot ties or tie knots still, and we're going to just make that into a halter thing and tie it at the back. Make sure it's secure and make adjustments. Then we need the rope again to tie it and just adjust it, and voila. Get it, girl. Hey there, just here to remind you to not forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Give me a thumbs up, interact with me in the comment section. So yeah, continue watching. Look number 5 and 6. So I'm not showing you how I did this one, obviously, because I'm not about to show you everything that I own. But then let's have a look at the 2 looks. You can either have it buttoned up with a pin or just left open. Look number 7, you need the rope again to tie a knot and do a halter neck thing. That's how it looks, and you can wear this to the beach. Look number 8, we're still going to, these looks have a lot of knotting in them. Oh, this looks so nice. beach vibes also, outing you could wear with jeans. Look number 9. These things have a lot of knotting and tying techniques, so we're just going to turn this around and make like a beltish thing around the under bust. Look number 10 and the final look. Just going to tuck that in under the bust area, and then voila, that's the 10th and final look from a kimono jacket and a leather skirt. I used this kimono jacket to make 10 different looks. Oh my god, we made it! We made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Relate with me in the comment section if you liked anything particularly, and if you want to get what I am wearing the halter XX bag from this amazing fashion designer. This girl, she's also very fine, and she's pink, and she has some figure 8, and she can sing, she can dance. Anyway, here is the back of my halter. Yeah, so if you want this, you could follow me on social media and make your order. Place your order for it. Place it for your sister, your mommy, your mommies are not going to want to wear this. But then, yeah, if you want to make an order, just follow me on social media or indicate in the comment section. Let's follow up. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.